Good afternoon. It's May the 20th, 2015. Time to wrap up the E-mini. The trading today in E-mini was really muted until the FOMC meeting. Minutes from April were released, and this is where the news hit the market right here. And the news said that the Fed probably would not be able to raise interest rates in June, but could. So the scenario right now is the earliest interest rate increase is September. Economy is soft enough. Fed raise interest rates later rather than sooner buy stocks. The first trade that set up nicely for us was right here off the opening. It was a retest failure trade, and it produced 3 to 6 points. This was a retest failure trade right here with the green dot. And on this particular trade, depending on where you got in, you did not stop out on any of them. You made 3 to 4 points. If you'd taken this trade in between, there was a scratch. If you took the trade off of here, it produced 3 to 4 points. So the trade did set up. There was a false start before it took off. You're in the trade already on this one. You hadn't hit your profit objectives. It was going up, so that trade was a trade that you could have taken for 1 to 2, but it would have been missed. Right here was a short off of a software generated trade. You can see that we took that trade live in the room. That was a scratch. There was a mean green trade in here that came up with another scratch. There was another short off a retest failure right here. If you'd stayed with the trade, you'd have gotten 3 points. No trade on this leg right here. Another retest failure off this bar's high that gave you 1 to 2 points, and this is where the news hit. Then we get a software generated trade with the letter B under that one. That gave you 3 to 6 points. Our sells area this morning was 2130. Our buy area was 2120. Get a software generated trade off that S or off that S. This first one gave you a point. This S software generated trade gave you 3 to 6. And if you'd gotten in off this retest failure trade right there, you scratched the trade. So there were 10 trades possible. They gave you a total of 17 points. There were 0 losers, and you ended up netting 17 points. So had to work for everything. Nothing came easy. This market is really tough to trade these days, given the lack of volatility and the fact that it's really hard for this market to sell. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get information on the software and our methodology. To further encourage you, we offer you 5 free days in the main room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year, the 10-year, and the E-mini. Contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.